Good morning, students. In previous video, we have completed this chapter. And today, we will start exercise and question answer. Now, let's start. Number A. Tick the correct option. First, the Qutub Minar is situated in option A. Agra, option B. Jaipur, option C. Delhi. So, Qutub Minar is situated in Delhi. So, the answer is C. Delhi. Now, next, number 2. The huge gateway of the Meenakshi temples are called A. Corridors, B. Gopurams, and C. Sastras. So, the answer is Gopurams. Okay. Now, 3 number. The Brihadeshwara temple is dedicated to number A. Lord Ganesha, number B. Lord Shiva, number C. Lord Vishnu. And the answer is B. Lord Shiva. Now 4 number. The Raja Rajeshwara temple is situated at A. Tanjore, B. Mahabalipuram, C. Madurai. So the answer is A. Tanjore. Now 5th number. The Sun temple is situated at A. Jaipur, B. Konark, C. Madurai. So the answer is B. Konark. Now we will do B number, fill in the blanks. Number first. The Qutub Minar was built in the honor of. So the answer is Sufi saint Qutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. Second number, the famous Sor temple is located at. So the answer is Mahabalipuram. Now third number, the Meenakshi temple is situated at Madurai. Next is the Lingaraj temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Next, fifth number. The Amber fort is situated at Amber. Now, next, match the following. Stupa. Stupa, Buddhist. Lion capital, national emblem of India. Qutub Minar, Qutubuddin Aibak. Red Fort, Shahjahan. Agra Fort, Akbar. Okay. Now, next, write true on and false for these statements. Number 1. The Qutub Minar was completed by Iltutmish. This is true statement. Lord Jagannath temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. No, this is false statement. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Sanchi Stupa is built of brick and stone. Yes, this is true. The Amber fort was completed by Raja Mansingh. No, this is false. Construction was started by Raja Mansingh, but it was completed by Raja Jai Singh. Okay, so this is false statement. The Agra fort was built in 1565. So this is true statement. Now, E number, answer these questions. Number 1, what is a stupa? So the answer is a stupa is a monument that is sacred to the Buddhist. Okay, so this is first answer. Now question number 2, who built the Qutub Minar. So the answer is Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1193 and it was completed by Iltutmish. Okay, it was started by Qutbuddin Aibak but it was completed by Iltutmish. Now come to third number question. What do you know about the Red Fort? So the answer is the Red Fort or Lal Killa is a monument built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It is situated on the bank of the Yamuna River. It is made of red stone and marble. Every year, Prime Minister hoists the national flag. Okay, now come to next questions. 4 number. Write a brief note on the Taj Mahal. So the answer is Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the loving memory of his beautiful wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is situated in Agra. Construction of Taj Mahal started in year 1631 and it took 22 years to build this historical monument. The whole structure is in pure white marble. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Okay? Now come to next question, 5th number. Describe the Agra Fort. The Agra Fort is situated in Agra. It was built by Emperor Akbar in 1565. There is a 70 feet high wall all around the fort. The fort has beautiful palaces and 2 halls. That is the Diwane-Am and the Diwane-Khas. Okay. Now last question. Name a few temples of Odisha. See number 6 answer. Temples of Odisha are Jagannath Temple, Sun Temple, Lingaraj Temple, Gundicha Temple, Ma Tara Tarini Temple, etc. So these are few temples of Odisha. Now exercise and question answer both are completed. So what you will do, you complete these exercise in your book and question answer in your SST notebook. Okay. Now one project that you have to do in your SST copy. Collect picture of historical buildings and monuments. So you have to collect the picture of few pictures of historical building and monuments and make a beautiful collage. Okay, that you have to do in your SST copy. After writing this question answer, you paste the picture of historical buildings and monuments. There is a identify the picture given below and write their name and also mention the place where they situated. Qutub Minar, Delhi. So the picture is of Qutub Minar and it is situated in Delhi. So this is the picture of Meenakshi temple and it is situated in Madurai. Taj Mahal, Agra. Lingaraj temple, Odisha. Jama Masjid, Delhi. Sun temple, Konark. Red Fort, Delhi. Amber Fort, Amber. Agra Fort, Agra. So this also you complete it in your book. Till that, thank you.